at peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and this is the second upload of the week. In September, I'm going to be uploading on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I uploaded a video on Wednesday, today is Saturday. Here's the Saturday video. Today I have a very fun sewing little project video for you. I haven't tried it, but I'm pretty sure it should be relatively simple, so stick around to check it out and try it out for yourself. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below so that you can see what other fun videos I'm going to be posting when I post 2 times a week this month. 2 times a week. For me, that's a lot. But I'm excited to make the videos and I'm excited for you all to enjoy them. So let's get into it. Let's go. So like a couple weeks ago, I think really not that long ago, I got these jeans from Urban Outfitters. I've been trying to thrift most of my clothes, but I saw these on Urban Outfitters and could not pass them up because baggy jeans are so in style right now. So I got these in 2 different sizes. One size that fits me really well, and then this is the next size up. So it's gonna be a little bit baggier, which is what I want. But as you can see, they're literally just like plain. There's no rips, there's no designs. They're like so boring. So I actually got the second pair because I knew that I wanted to do something with them, but I wasn't entirely sure what. So this is what they look like on. As you can see, they're just this like medium kind of wash, high-waisted. They're pretty tight right here, and then they get baggier as they go down, and then they just have this nice kind of like, I don't know what the bottom would be called, like a boot cut or like a straight leg. But they're pretty baggy. Yeah, but they fit me really nicely on the waist. And I just love this style. It's so in right now. Okay. Also, if you saw in my last video when I was organizing my closet, I had a ton of jeans and just like denim things, and now I have more jeans. I have a serious problem buying jeans for some reason. I really don't know why. I wear like the same 3 pairs, but here we are. If you didn't see that video, it'll be linked down below and also at the end of this video, so you should definitely go check it out after this video. This video is a lot more fun in my opinion because it's like actual like a project. Okay, as I was saying, I was struggling to figure out what I wanted to do with these jeans because they're so plain and basic, and I have the other pair that fits me pretty much the same and it's also plain and basic, right? So then the other day I was wearing these overalls. I love overalls. And they have these like cool denim flowers on them. You can't see that. Oh, there's not too many. There's literally like 3. Yeah. Oh, there's only 3 flowers. For some reason I thought there was way more flowers, but anyway. So I really liked that, and I thought that that would be cool to put on these pants as well, but I didn't want flowers because I wanted to switch it up a little bit. So I decided that I was gonna go with butterflies. We're gonna try to cut out denim butterflies and put them on our baggy jeans. So I just took some recycled newspaper that I had and I cut out like these little shapes of butterflies. Like that little one, and then there's like a medium-sized one, and then there's a little bit bigger medium-sized one, and then there's a bigger one. So then I have all of this scrap fabric. This is from the fabric from when I made my bucket hat in one of my other videos. You should also go check that one out. If you have time, just like binge all my videos. And then I have this denim left over from another project. And then I have some scraps left over of like darker denim from another project. So, oh, this is light denim, but you get what I mean, darker denim. I have a few of these left over from another project. So we're gonna cut butterflies out of those, make these pants look really cool. We're gonna do it. I'm still trying to decide if it'll be better to use my sewing machine or hand sew, just because I'm gonna be going in the leg. But I think ultimately I'm gonna go with my sewing machine, but you can totally hand sew these too. If you don't have a sewing machine, it'll probably honestly be a little bit easier hand sewing. I just stab myself a lot and I prefer to not hand sew. All right, enough talking, let's cut out our butterflies. So here I'm just tracing the butterfly stencils onto the denim using these fabric colored pencil things, although it didn't really show up, so it was kind of just a waste of time. It was a little bit helpful. And then I'm cutting them out. And here's my dog Noodle. She hates when I give anything attention that isn't hers, so she bothers me a lot in this video. But yeah, so I'm tracing it, and as I was cutting them out, I also wanted to give some texture. So after they were all cut out, I made some slits in some of them. I put some on top of other ones. I just wanted to make it like less one-dimensional, I guess. And now I'm laying them out on the jeans. I actually ended up getting rid of this like cutout one, but laying them out and pinning them on really helped me visualize it. I changed the layout of it a few times, and I cut out some more of these dark colored butterflies because I just loved the contrast with the jeans. And there's Noodle again. So I'm taking a TikTok of her. You should go follow me on TikTok. Anyways, so I'm using my sewing machine. It was so incredibly difficult to use my sewing machine. I'm just using a straight stitch, and it was so much like turning and starting and stopping. I think it took me like 15 minutes just to do one single butterfly. But here's how the first one turned out. Not too shabby, but definitely a hassle using the sewing machine. It was literally impossible to get the pant leg over the side of my sewing machine to get the butterflies in the middle, so I was only able to do 3 butterflies with my sewing machine. Change of plans. We're hand sewing. Yeah, so as I said, I moved over to hand sewing, which, as I said in the beginning, I don't like and I am not good at. I stabbed myself an insane amount of times, and the thread kept getting tangled, but ultimately it was a little bit easier than using my sewing machine. Noodle loves to take my spot. That's how the first hand sewn one came out. You can't really see the stitches, but you can see it more on this dark one, but it gives it like a really nice like contrast stitch, and I'm kind of into it. I really like it actually. So I just hand sewed all the rest of those on. I know it's sped up here and it seems like it didn't take me that long, but I started this project around 5:30-ish and I barely finished it at like 3 in the morning. Granted, I did stop to eat along the way, but you get the point. It took a very long time. Dedication. Longer than I thought it would. So now I'm just sewing the last butterfly. And here's my seam ripper because I seam ripped the bottom hem to give it an unfinished hem look because I love the way that it looks on my overalls, so I wanted to carry that over onto these jeans as well. Seam ripping is honestly so therapeutic. Does anybody else agree with me? So I did that on both legs, and I drew a little line on there and cut out a little slit because the leg was kind of boring, so I'm making a knee hole. And I'm throwing it in the dryer so it can fray. So that was the final product. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. I think they came out so perfectly. Obviously there are flaws and like the hand stitching wasn't great. But they're mine and they're personal, and you can definitely like see that personalization in it. So I think they're so fun. They are so much more interesting than they were at the beginning of this video, and I'm really happy with them. I hope that you all enjoyed this little project. Just a fun and really simple way to upgrade a boring pair of pants. If you do decide to try it out for yourself, make sure that you comment down below to let me know, and also tag me on Instagram so I can see it. And that is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you subscribe because I will be posting 2 times a week in September, so you don't want to miss it. There will definitely be some more fun projects like this, so make sure that you subscribe. All right, thank you all so much again for watching, and I will see you all on Wednesday in my next video. Bye.